Hello grade 6, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to study relations between some geometrical shapes. In the beginning, we will start with the parallelogram and its special case. The parallelogram is a quadrilateral shape in which each two opposite sides are parallel. Each two opposite sides are parallel. There are some properties for the parallelogram. The first one, each two opposite sides are equal in length. In this figure, AB equals DC and BC equals AD. The second one, each two opposite angles are equal in measure. So A equals C and the measure of B equals the measure of D, like this shape. And this shape, A equals C and D equals B. D equals B. The third one, the sum of measures of each two consecutive angles is 180. So the sum of A and B equals 180. A plus D equals 180. D plus C equals 180. Also B plus C equals 180. The last one, the two diagonals bisect each other. So in this figure, the two diagonals is AC and BD. AC and BD. The common point between AC and BD is the point M. So CM equals AM, CM equals AM, and DM equals BM. DM equals BM. Here we have a quadrilateral shape, but it not belong in the parallelogram and its special case. This shape is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which there are only two sides are parallel. For example, in the opposite figure, the shape A, B, C, D is trapezium. In trapezium, only two sides are parallel. In this figure, AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC. And here we will study some special cases of a parallelogram. The first one is the rectangle. We had studied the rectangle before. The rectangle is a parallelogram with right angles. The four angles of the rectangle are equal in measure, and the measure of each one is 90 degrees. The second one, the two diagonals of the rectangle are equal in length. The rectangle is special case of the parallelogram. So, like parallelogram, the two diagonals in rectangle bisect each other, and also in the rectangle the two diagonals are equal in length. So BM equal DM equal CM equal AM. Second shape is the rhombus. The rhombus is a parallelogram in which two adjacent sides are equal in length. Like what? Like a square. The four sides of the rhombus are equal in length. So AB equals BC equals CD equals DA equals DA. The two diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular. So DB perpendicular to AC. And if the two line segments are perpendicular, So we have here 4 right angles. We have here 4 right angles. So the two diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other like parallelogram and also perpendicular. The last shape, the square. The square is a parallelogram with a right angle and two adjacent sides are equal in length. 4 sides of the square are equal in length. The 4 sides in the square are equal in length. So AB equals BC equals CD equals DA. The 4 angles of a square are equal in measure and each one equals 90 degree. Equals 90 degree. So A equals B equals C equals D equals 90 degree. Equals 90 degree. The two diagonals of a square are equal in length and perpendicular. Are equal in length and perpendicular. So, like the parallelogram, the two diagonals in the square bisect each other, and also the two diagonals equal in length and also it's perpendicular. It's perpendicular. By the end of the lesson, I hope all of you understood and thank you for listening.